Nestled in the prestigious golf and upscale vacation community of Reunion, we invite you on a tour of Be Our Guest Manor with over 8,100 square feet of accommodations. Adults can unwind in luxury, and kids can live in a playground. This 7-bedroom, 9-bathroom home brings together traditional warmth with modern elegance that can accommodate up to 26. The fully equipped kitchen features Electrolux appliances and separate ice maker. The kitchen island bar seats 5 and the dining table seats 14. The comfortable and beautifully decorated family room leads to your outdoor oasis. Complete with an outdoor kitchen and privacy as the home backs into natural Florida preservation. The outdoor dining table provides room for 10. Enjoy the outdoor theater from either the pool bar, or hot tub. The arcade is commercial quality, including basketball, air hockey, Daytona car racers, multicade, and the latest console game technology. Enjoy watching movies from the Star Wars-themed Ewok Village Theater. The loft features multiple TVs, golden tee, billiards, foosball, and shuffleboard. Prepare to blow away the kids in a Toy Story-inspired room, complete with 6 beds and a tunnel system that leads from each of the 3 sets of bunk beds to a tower in the center of the room that includes a spiraling tunnel slide. For the princess, there's Elsa's Ice Castle, which includes a balcony lookout, 4 beds, and a commercial-grade slide to complete the fun. For the adults, there are 5 luxury bedrooms with full baths, including this master suite that features a private entrance to the pool and patio and a standalone garden tub with glassed-in shower with multiple entrances and multiple shower heads. Another master suite offers another luxurious bathroom with private access to the second-floor balcony. 2 other bedrooms offer king-size beds with private bathrooms. And finally, the last bedroom offers 2 queen-size beds with private bathroom. This is the opportunity for your family and friends at the ultimate in luxury fun and togetherness at Reunion's Be Our Guest Manor.